A faster road to affiliate marketing success. Affiliate marketing can be a very important business move to everyone. It involves particular needs of an individual's business, along with personal networking and marketing strategies. It can seem a bit confusing as to where you need to begin. These tips can help you make sense of the confusion to start marketing like a professional. The best way to make an affiliate marketing website at the most affordable price is to build it yourself. If you don't already know it, you want to learn some basic HTML. Even if someone else designs the site for you, you want to learn basic HTML so you can add hyperlinks at your leisure. Starting out with foundation links from trusted sites is the best way to go when you're just getting started. Seeking links from authority sites within your market is better than having unrelated links for the purposes of traffic and name recognition. Although there are shortcuts you can take, never tempt the integrity of your site by going the easy route. To know what works and what does not, keep track of the emails that you sent. Use a professional email program to see who opened your email and who clicked on the link. You might need to work on the title or presentation of your emails to generate more interest. Developing and keeping a list of ideas handy is a great way to achieve an affiliate marketing. Once you learn a great tip or have one of those proverbial light bulb moments, always remember to make a note of it so you can refer to it later on. As you progress in your note keeping, you can begin to form campaigns from loose ideas. Check the conversion rate of the affiliate company you are considering working with. Look for a site that has at least 1% conversion ratio, meaning 1 out of every 100 visitors make a purchase. Check the sales copy of the site and see if it makes you want to purchase. Use a deadline for affiliate products that you offer. People love to feel as though they are getting a deal. While affiliate marketing is an important business move for many businesses, it does share the main goal of promoting your business to a wider audience. As you have seen in these tips, there are various approaches, but they are all created around the idea of helping you bring in more attention, customers and sales. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.